What's up guys, you're watching Sid Gaming, and today we are going to talk about how to fix the Sony 4 contrast, color and saturation. So settings, here is the account management, go down accessibility, and here is the invert color accessibility. Here you have the invert color, home screen invert colors, and the high contrast, and here is the adjust the colors of the text and the background, improve the contrast settings. Here that's how you can set it, and change it the contrast, color and the saturation, and you just go back and change it high contrast, check out, high contrast, check in. So that's how that simply you can change and fix on the Sony 4 contrast, color and saturation.